Hello everybody, it's Haj here. Last month we went on a holiday in Austria and I brought along my DJI Mavic free drone. I took quite nice footage with it. However, on our last hike, I stupidly and badly crashed the drone. Considering the damage, I was surprised that the drone is still now fully functional. So what happened? How did I crash a drone with a solid full 360-degree obstacle avoidance system? Well, first of all, this Mavic 3 is not my first drone. My first drone was DJI Mini 2, which I found too basic, so I upgraded then to the DJI Air 2S. But the Air 2S does not have a real log support, and I also missed the full control over the aperture, so I bought the Mavic 3. Strange enough though, I never crashed the Mini 2 nor the Air 2S. I think I was very careful while flying those two drones because of the lack of 360-degree obstacle avoidance. On the other hand, I was very impressed with the tracking and obstacle avoidance ability of the Mavic 3. It automatically and flawlessly tracked me in the forest while avoiding trees and branches. But I trusted it too much, pushed it too far, and it was just a matter of time before I crashed the drone. After filming a castle ruin on a hilltop in the afternoon, I decided to do a tracking video on the way down the hill. The drone tracked me nicely, but it failed to detect the branch hanging above the trail. It flew straight to the branch, and by the time I heard the dreadful noise made by the propeller hitting the branch, it was too late. The drone smashed itself to the tree trunk and dropped dead to the ground. When I heard the smashing noise, I was like, well, that's it for this drone, it's dead. All four propellers were damaged, one even broke in half. The lower cap on the rear arms of the drone also broke off. However, once I inspected the damage at home, I was quite surprised that apart from the propeller and the damage on one of the arms, the drone looked fine. There was no cracks on the body of the drone. The gimbal was still fully operational and the drone still fully functional. I was impressed that actually it survived the crash. I dare say the drone is quite well built. However, do not crash your drone because maybe I was just lucky. In addition, drones are damn expensive but also could lead to serious accident. Anyway, lesson learned: as a drone pilot, always be the main operator, always be in full attention, and do not rely too much on the autopilot. The obstacle avoidance of the Mavic 3 is very good, but it's not perfect. While the light might still look bright enough for our own eyes, it could already be too dim for the sensor on the drone to operate properly. And that was the reason why it missed the branch and led then to my misfortune. Anyway, I hope it will be the first and the last incident I have. And I hope you will never make the same mistake I did. And that's it for this video. Fly safe and until next time then. Bye.